Hi, welcome to your 10-minute practice with the invitation to relax with what is. So in every pose, you can either stay and struggle, you could run away, or you could stay and relax with what is. I'll have you start in child's pose. And if child's pose doesn't work for your body, please adapt as needed. So in this moment, however your body's feeling, as you breathe in deep, and as you exhale, relax with whatever's showing up right now in your body. And let go of the resistance and into a place of flow, one breath at a time. On your next inhale, come up to tabletop. Exhale to downward facing dog. Take any movement your body needs. You could pedal one knee out and then the other. If downward dog doesn't feel good on your wrists, you could even lower your elbows to the mat, and dolphin pose is a great option. Take one more big breath in here. Empty out. Walk your hands back to your feet. Option to bring your forearms onto your thighs or clasp your hands at your low back. Take another breath in. Go a little deeper, relax with what is in this moment. You could shake your head out. You could bob your head, yes. Extended mountain pose, reach your arms overhead. Draw hands into heart center, breathe out. Inhale here. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine and notice what's happening in your body, whether it's tension or ease or anything else in between. The invitation is to relax with what's happening right now as it is, as it isn't. Take an inhale, stretch your arms overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms, gentle back bend. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Forward fold, bend the knees, squeeze the legs towards each other. Flat back, breathe in. High plank, walk your hands to the front of your mat. Look out in front of your mat, option to lower the knees, inhale. Exhale, lower part way down. Inhale, take a back bend. Pull your belly button to your spine. Downward facing dog, exhale. We'll flow through that little sun A sequence one more time. The invitation is to, yes, adapt if you need to. Otherwise, the invitation is to relax with whatever's showing up. Take another breath in. Walk your hands back to your feet, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. Fold on the exhale. Extended mountain pose, inhale, stretch up. Cactus the arms, back bend. Pull belly button to spine. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Forward fold, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. High plank, walk your hands forward, breathe out. Look out in front of your mat, breathe in. Lower part way down, breathe out. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, back to downward dog. Kick your right leg up in the air behind you, bend your knee, roll your hip open, roll out the ankle. Extend the leg on your inhale. Low lunge on the exhale. Crescent lunge, option to lower the back knee to the mat, stretch your arms overhead. Stay here or lift the back knee up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist to the right, breathe out. Inhale here. Look a little further to the right, breathe out. Crescent lunge, breathe in. High plank, breathe out. Look out in front of your mat, breathe in. Lower part way down, breathe out. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Three-legged dog, left leg high, bend the knee, roll the hip open. Whatever's showing up for your body, mind, or spirit right now, can you let go of the resistance and relax with what is? Low lunge for crescent lunge. Breathe as you set your gaze to one spot. Option to have the back knee down or lift up. Inhale here. Twist to the left, exhale. Pull the belly button to the spine and look a little further left. Crescent lunge on your inhale. Downward facing dog on the exhale. Walk your hands back to your feet. Flat back, breathe in. Forward fold, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Eagle right leg over. Right arm under. Give yourself a hug or wrap the forearms up. Another opportunity to relax with whatever's showing up. Focus your eyes, breathe in. Sit 1 inch lower, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale, stretch up. Eagle, left leg over. Left arm under. Focus your eyes to one thing. Breathe in. Sit as low as you can go, breathe out. Take 1 more breath in. Sit even lower, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale, stretch high. Forward fold, exhale. Flat back, breathe in. High plank, breathe out. Lift the right leg off the mat, breathe in. Step through low lunge, breathe out. Warrior 2. Open the hips to the left side of your space. Pull belly button to spine. Squeeze the legs in towards each other. Reverse warrior for 1 breath in. Extended side angle, breathe out. 2 breaths here. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine. Pull belly button in. Take 1 more breath cycle. On your next inhale, high plank. Lift the left leg up. Step it through, low lunge. Warrior 2. Adapt as you need to. If you need to lower the back knee to get your left foot forward, please do. And if you feel resistance to needing to adapt, the invitation is to notice the resistance and then relax. Reverse warrior, breathe in. Extended side angle, breathe out. Breathe. Lunge as deep as you can to bring your front knee over your front heel. Take 1 more breath in here. Empty out. Downward facing dog. Check in, feel your hands and feet. Notice a shift in your body. If there's still any resistance, practice letting go to relax with what is. Lift your heels, look forward. Exhale, walk your feet to your hands and sit down. Lay onto your back for bridge pose. Plant your feet, lift your hips up in the air. Press your hands down into the floor. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine. Take another breath in. Lift your hips even higher, breathe out. 1 more breath in. Come down, exhale. Lift your legs up in the air. Bring your fingertips to the back of your head and pulse your shoulders up away from the floor for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, figure 4, right ankle across the left thigh. Create a hip stretch here. If there's any tension that you're resisting, the invitation is to either keep struggling or relax. Switch sides. Figure 4, left ankle across the right thigh, breathe. See if you can let go of any tension in the neck and jaw and shoulders. Give your knees a squeeze into your chest. Big breath in. Big breath out. Shavasana, final relaxation. And bring your feet to the corners of your mat. Rest your arms in whatever place is comfortable for you. And if this doesn't feel good on your low back, you can bend your knees, feet wide, and knock your knees in towards each other. Give yourself 2 breaths to see how relaxed you can get. If you have more time in your day, please stay and practice relaxing. Otherwise, roll over to your right side into a fetal position. Take a moment to acknowledge yourself for carving the time out of your day to move your body mindfully. It doesn't matter for how long, it matters that you gave yourself the gift of mindful movement. Come up to a seat. Bring your palms to touch at the center of your chest. Take a deep breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. Bring your thumbs to touch the middle of your forehead. In gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today, we bow forward. Thank you. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.